Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Apparently when I'm doing a voiceover, I suck at intros. So we're going to go ahead and go in and start with my Ulta Beauty Moisturizing Primer Spray. And we're just going to apply that to our face. Then I go in with my Ulta Beauty Hydrating Face Primer, and we're just going to apply that all over to our face. I was being really extra because of the foundation I'm going in with, and so I'm using my e.l.f. Hydrating Coconut Mist. And this is the day I realized that the container was broken. Going in with my LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil, and I'm just going to go ahead and start filling in my brows. So the foundation I decided to use today was the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation, and I have mine in the shade M10. So I just take that and I dot it all over my face, and I'm going in with my e.l.f. Beauty Sponge, and then I'm just going to blend that in. And then I went in with my favorite concealer of all time currently. It's the Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer. This is the only concealer that I've ever bought a backup of. I'm usually used to just trying new things that I hear YouTubers talk about or anything like that. But for some reason, this concealer, I love it so much. The coverage is good. It doesn't get cakey. It doesn't get crepey. And you can build it up. And yeah, it's just amazingness in a bottle. So on this day, I'm taking my Hard Candy Bake Brighten and Set Loose Finishing Powder. Now this powder looks very beautiful on your skin, but in an upcoming video you can tell that I'm recording at night, and with my ring light it gives terrible flashback even with my ring light, and I look pretty ghostly and kind of like a clown, but yeah, it looks beautiful in person. Next I'm taking my Ultimate Lashes Mascara by Ulta Beauty, and I'm just going to go ahead and give my top and bottom lashes a quick coat with that. Right here is where I'm going in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm just bronzing up the skin. And this is the point where I kind of stopped showing what products I'm using because we were in a really big rush. So yeah, right here I'm just going in contouring my nose, and then I'm going in with my LA Girl Blush Palette. And I'm taking the two usual shades that I usually use in other videos. And then I went in with my Wet n Wild Golden Flower Crown highlighter to highlight the face. And I'm using my Red Essence lip liner, and then I'm going in with my Bare Minerals red liquid lipstick, and I don't know the names of them. Then I went ahead and set my brows with my Essence Make Me Brow, and then curling my lashes one more time, and then I was getting ready, getting my hair fixed and just pulled back. This is one of the easiest, most put together looking hairdos, and I love it. So yeah, and then I thought I was done, but I remembered I needed to set my face. And so I do go ahead and go in and do that. And just always remember, you guys, that I love you guys, but Jesus loves you more.